nandito kami ngayon sa Fishman Lobster Restaurant in Scarborough, Ontario. We are going to celebrate Christmas here with my 3 other siblings and their respective families. So let's see what's inside. Ito po yung loob ng Fishman Lobster Clubhouse. Saan makikita nyo medyo madaming tao. So people are buying this big lobster and crab. Look at that.